stop playing with him. Jadavinci in his bitch. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me.
I personally like to wear my crochet hairstyles in like the natural type of styles to make it look like it's growing out of my hair. Hair is from facebyjdevinci.com. The style hair that I have in my head today is the natural water in the 18-inch. It's in the color T1B/27. I currently have 3 packs of hair in my head already. In my previous crochet hair tutorial, I showed you guys my braiding pattern, so be sure to check it out. I'll leave it in a card. Just make sure your braids are sticking to your head, and if they don't, you can, as you guys can see, I have these bobby pins as anchors. Like, these braids are good, but these braids are a little salty, so these bobby pins are used as anchors, and it's going to hold the crochet in place. So I'm on my last 3 packs of hair. I like my hair full, so I make sure I put in as much hair as I possibly can, okay? In each pack of hair, and I'm not like separating them or anything, I'm just using them as a whole. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 little pieces of hair, okay? But I personally like to take my crochet hook and slip it through the hair already. Then I'll take my crochet piece, put all the hair onto the hook, close the latch, pull it through, and then that's it. This is how we're gonna do it. We put our crochet needle through, then we stick on the hair, and then with the curly hair, wrapping it around twice is perfectly fine. I noticed that when I wrap it around 4 times or 3 times, it takes a longer time to actually take out of my head, like when I'm trying to take out the crochet braids. And I'm doing them pretty fast because I'm hip to the crochet styles now. So it takes me no time to braid my hair down, put the crochet, like I'm so happy. Crochet styles is literally everything that I was ever looking for in curly weaves. Like, I wish I would have known about this, but I didn't, so it's okay. So I would also recommend that you start in the front, you know? Personally, if you know that this is your first time doing crochet, you don't know if you're gonna have enough hair, start in the front so you can know that the front of your hair will be full. You could easily cut the hair into 2 if you want, but I didn't want to do none of that. So this is as much as I have left out of my 3rd package, and then I have 2 packs of hair left. And for some crochet tips, what I like to do is I personally, especially on the first couple days, I keep the hair long. Once the hair starts getting tangled, because you all know this is, you know, even though it's soft and it feels like it's natural hair, it does start to tangle eventually. So once it starts tangling, then I'll start cutting layers. So I'll start cutting off all the little tangles, and then I'll cut my hair into layers, and it's even cuter. And then after that, I cut it even shorter, and then I cut it out. So the ones in the middle, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing. So I'll take it, and then I'll bring both those hair through, and then I'll just split it and bring one. And then it'll be like this. I don't know why it just takes up a lot of the portion. Do that same thing. So what I do is I take the circle, I'll bring both hairs through the circle, then I'll just take one of the hairs and bring it through. Like so. Yeah, I would highly recommend that if you're going to have this style, you have at least 7 packages of hair. But what I will do is I'm gonna just layer the hair, and then the extra, whatever is extra, oh, I'm already fucked up. But whatever is extra, I'll use it for, yeah, it's just the final piece of hair that I needed to bring everything together. Itty bitty piece, you know? So all the little pieces that I cut from my hair, it's these itty bitty pieces, and that's the pieces that I'm adding to the front to make them more, my hair is gonna look more natural. So like always, how big you want it, it's solely up to you. It's like, since this is the first day, you don't have to really go too ham, only because each day gets bigger and bigger and bigger. So this is what the crochet hair looks like, all finished. I have 6 packs of hair in my head. This hair is from facebyjdevinci.com. I'm currently wearing the Caribbean Bundle Natural Water in 18-inch. The color is T1B/27. I really like this hair. I do think that you need 7 packs of hair just for, I mean, personally, I like full hair. Like if I'm gonna be wearing crochet braids, they're gonna look bomb, okay? I want them to be like ultimate natural hair goals. When I'm going for crochet, I want it to look like it's growing out my scalp. Natural looking, it's super cute. I'm actually like really digging it. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up and check out divatress.com because they have loads of crochet hair. Literally my last 3 hairstyles were from divatress.com. Super affordable. It's like $30 for this whole hairdo. Still, it's a complete steal to me, especially when it lasts for about a month. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to check them out and I'll see you guys next time.